Welcome to my thought. Kansbahal is a modern industrial town situated in the state of Odisha, India. It lies on the state highway number 10 between the cities of Rourkela and Rajainpur, about 25 km from Rourkela. Kansbahal abounds in naturally beautiful and man-made places, among others, Mandira Dam towards the northwest, Water Point towards the north, Petamahal Dam towards the southeast and Kansbahal Dam towards the south that are very suitable for the picnic spots. Two rivers run by Kansbahal, Ghoggar River and Sank River, with the Ghoggar River finally merging into the Sank River. Kansbahal is today a modern township, a planned mini-city for its employees. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more.